On September the 30th, an ecumenical prayer vigil will take place in St. Peter's Square as part of the Church's ongoing Synod on Synodality. The vigil, organized by the Taizé Community, will, as Pope Francis described it, entrust to God the work of the 16th Ordinary General Assembly of the Synod of Bishops. Set to take place in 2 sessions, from October the 4th through the 29th, 2023, and in October of 2024.
It is significant.
Therefore, on January the 23rd, Synod and ecumenical representatives from various ecclesial communities held a press conference in Rome, speaking informatively about the prayer vigil. In addition to Cardinal Jean-Claude Hollerich, Relator General of the Synod, the representative of the Armenian Apostolic Church to the Holy See, and Archbishop Khajag Barsamian also spoke, as did the director of the Anglican Center, Archbishop Ian Ernest, and Frère Alois Löser, prior of the Ecumenical Community of Taizé. The president of the Conference of European Churches, Christian Krieger, joined via videolink from Paris. Ecumenism and synodality belong together. The participants of the press conference stressed,
Cardinal Hollerich, you emphasized that synodality and ecumenism are related, and you said that the Catholic Church can learn a lot from other denominations. What exactly do Catholics need to learn from others, and vice versa? What can others learn from the Catholic Church?
I mean, what others can learn from the Catholic Church, you have to ask other people. It's not my point for answering that part of the question. The mutual learning process will bring us closer together. And there is no plan. You know that there are always people thinking that there are plans. No? The Synod and what the Synod wants to do. No, there are no plans. There's a listening to the Holy Spirit as the Holy Spirit expresses himself in the life of people in his church. Thank you.